this morning, the White House is confirming that Dr. Susan Monarez is no longer heading up the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, just weeks after her confirmation. The Trump administration saying she's not aligned with the president's vision and agenda. She says she's being targeted. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey is following this one for us from Washington. Tom, good morning to you. Dr. Monarez has had the job for less than a month. This is significant.
Yeah, this didn't last very long. Good morning, Markie. The legal team for Susan Monarez saying the Presidential Personnel Office actually reached out to Monarez, telling her she's been terminated as CDC director. But the legal team adds that Monarez never intended to leave, which goes against the claim from the White House. In a post to X, we heard more from the legal team for former CDC director Susan Monarez, claiming that she was being targeted, writing, quote, Secretary Kennedy and HHS Health and Human Services have set their sights on weaponizing public health for political gain and putting millions of American lives at risk. And adding, when she refused to rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives and fire dedicated health experts, she chose protecting the public over serving a political agenda. Monarez, like you said, got sworn in less than a month ago as CDC director, but the news of her ouster came the same day. The FDA, under the direction of Health and Human Services Secretary Robert Kennedy, announced changes to limit access to the COVID vaccine. According to the Washington Post, Secretary Kennedy and others pressed Monarez for days over whether she would support rescinding certain approvals for COVID vaccines. And when she declined to commit at first, the Post says Kennedy and others urged her to resign for not supporting President Trump's agenda. NewsNation has also learned that 3 other leaders within the CDC recently resigned. You can see their names and pictures here. Daskalakis helped lead the response to the outbreak of Mpox, once known as monkeypox, back in 2022. In an email announcing his resignation, he wrote, quote, I am not able to serve in this role any longer because of the ongoing weaponizing of public health. Another one of the leaders who resigned brought up alleged political interference in the CDC science, saying risks of vaccines are being amplified, and wrote, quote, for the good of the nation and the world, the science at CDC should never be censored or subject to political pause or interpretation. So, Markie, to say the least, a lot of turmoil within the CDC and the Department of Health and Human Services right now.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.